guys, welcome to Bollywood Bubble Live. This is your host Trishti Pathak, and we're going to be connecting to Saundarya Sharma, who's currently stuck in the USA. And we would surely want to know what is up with her and how is she dealing with the circumstances, since we all know that the conditions are really bad there. So, if you have any specific questions for her, you can let me know. Yeah. I can clearly see you. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing? How are you quarantining?
All well. We're all a little concerned since we heard that you're stuck in the USA, and we were a little concerned and wanted to speak to you. And I'm so glad that we have Instagram on us. So
I know.
tell us what's going on, what happened.
Uh, so same thing is happening to me. Whatever is happening to the entire world, I am quarantining. I'm self-isolating. The cases in America are really bad, and if you look at the count, it's crossed like 7 lakhs,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
so horrible and scary. That way, it's better in India right now, and our government is doing a good job by allowing that lockdown and self-isolating. So yeah, I'm going out only for my groceries and I'm stuck here. My flight has been cancelled like for the fifth time now. And I'm just actually waiting for the lockdown to get lifted and so that I can fly.
So, this virus and all of that came viral and got in our notice a little later than it did when it did in USA. राइट
Hmm.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा लेट पता चला हमें वहाँ पे पहले से शुरू हो चुका था डिडंट यू ट्राई जस्ट rushing back to India back
You
then?
know, it's so easy to say. They announced it on 12th March that this is a pandemic. I came here to do my acting course at Lee Strasberg and New York Film Academy, and I only managed to finish Lee Strasberg. And in fact, I had two shoots lined up. My shoots got cancelled, and as soon as they announced, the school got shut. They were doing online classes, but you really cannot do. You understand?
It's got stuck.
It's a so by 14th or 15th, we were still trying to figure, and it was a weekend here. And the airlines we tried to contact, and there was no response from airlines because I'm sure everybody must be trying to go back. So by the time 16th, we spoke to British Airways, which was my flight to reschedule. I think around 17th, they announced that 17th to 19th, no airport is working here, and even there, they were like tricky. So they refused booking from Delhi.
Listen. There's a little network issue. There's a little network issue.
Okay, so am I
Yeah, it's
audible?
fine now. Yeah. Now you.
Okay.
Yeah. So where
So
were you?
yeah, and then it didn't happen. And from 21st till 30th, then there was a lockdown as it is. I was booked to come back on 30th. My 30th flight got cancelled. Then before that, I had booked for 23rd. That got cancelled. 30th got cancelled. Then 31st got cancelled. I mean, it's extending till then from the time I tried to book. And now again, I booked for myself for 15th. Again, it got announced on 13th that it's not happening. So it's never ending. I'm booked for 4th. So LA to London they are operating, but then from London to Mumbai they are not allowing. I'm booked again. But then my flight got cancelled yesterday again.
So,
So it's
did
not.
you try? Have you tried connecting to the Indian embassy? Have they been able to help you?
Yes, I am. I have been writing to embassy and Ministry of External Affairs, and I am in touch with them. I've given my details. In fact, there are more students and fellow Indians who are here, and apparently there has been no evacuation flight so far from California, and cases are really bad in America and other parts. So I think this is a condition which everybody uh, is every country and government is tackling for the very first time. They are also learning with time. Nobody imagined a pandemic like this. So I'm sure they have
Absolutely.
other things to take care of and handling, and I'm sure things will get better. I'm just hopeful.
We were all hopeful of that, and we really want you to come back safely, because you belong to
I
us.
miss home. I know. I really miss home. I miss India right now because there's no one around. I'm homebound. There's no 100% lockdown here. People are really self-isolating themselves. But still, अपना देश तो अपना होता है ना.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, like you just said that you go out for your groceries and all, and like हम जानते हैं कि the conditions are really bad there. How scary does it get to step out? And also, are they really, what kind of precautions are they taking? I want to compare it to the ones that's happening in India here.
Everybody is wearing mask.
Okay.
Every single person which you see on the road these days, and they are actually maintaining good distance between each other. If you go out, especially for your grocery stuff or something like that, or a stroll, or for your pet, so people, if they see each other, they maintain their distance, they walk away from each other. So that's how they are taking care, and I think they're following protocol, especially here in California,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
and
So,
that's amazing.
like, are things running out of supplies there too? Because here we often face such issues.
Yeah, they have no mask, they have no gloves, and they have no sanitizers. It's out of stock for like next 2 3 months. This is what the CVS pharmacy says. CVS pharmacy is apparently the biggest store here, pharmacist ka. And I'm wearing my own mask. I've made my own mask and I'm using that. I couldn't get gloves, so I got those exfoliating bathing gloves. And I'm using that because the idea is to protect. I can't just be sitting at home and if I have to go out and not do anything
Right,
about it.
right, right,
So
right.
yeah, at least that way India is better because I've been told that things are available, sanitizer is available, and
Yeah, yeah, they are getting available. It does get bad, but then it comes back to where it should be, thankfully. Hopefully, it stays the same. So, how are you? What do I say? Killing time. How are you spending your day? Yeah. So you were
hi.
saying you're learning Spanish, and then it got just
Yeah, so I'm
vanished.
learning Spanish, and that takes my most of the time because I'm really excited about it. And as usual, the day-to-day work, I'm reading, working out at home, cooking, meditating, listening to music, whatever everybody's doing, and watching Netflix.
Okay. What
What are
is
you
it that
watching
you're
these days?
craving the most? I have been watching all of you guys का lifestyle so that I could ask you all questions कि क्या हाल है क्या चल
Oh,
रहा है. I've been working. Thankfully, my office is keeping me busy, and I'm getting to
that's
get in
good.
touch with you.
That's
But we're
amazing.
but we're really hoping that you guys come back. There's even another couple of people who are stuck outside, and we want to
I'm
see you
sure.
personally and then interview you, and not this.
Oh yeah, I know. Drishti, I had a couple of shoots lined up, two things here, and I was undergoing a lot of things, auditions, and my classes were there. So this Corona, I can't tell you how much I hate Corona right now.
Oh my God, the only thing that people don't want to be positive about, Corona.
Corona, yeah, true, absolutely.
Right, right. So tell me, what is keeping you up? What do you say to yourself that makes you smile the entire day? And then, what makes you think that we'll get through this? We need that positivity too.
See, I think it has a lot to do with your inner self. It's not just about in today's time. Even when we are back in Bombay, we are not every day going out for auditions and meeting people, right? You're on your own. You keep yourself busy with workouts and reading scripts and watching shows because that's your homework.
हाँ जी.
So all that is happening और वही है बाकी तो mostly meditation करने से I think it gives you some kind of peace. And I'm sure if you do it, you must have experienced it too.
Right, right. So, were you signed for any sort of project that you had to keep aside now since it's a pandemic and then नहीं कर सकते?
So I had a couple of things lined up even in India. We recently shot for a web series and it's called Rectangle. उसका सीजन 2 हम शुरू करने वाले थे. Then I was in talks for an Amazon film web show, web series,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and a film, a feature film. But I think अभी इस साल तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला है क्योंकि पूरा
I know, right?
हॉलीवुड बंद है.
पूरी दुनिया.
पूरी दुनिया बंद है. आई थिंक पूरी दुनिया ने कभी कोई ऐसी चीज ऐसी फेस नहीं की होगी एक बारे में.
नहीं, never, never. I mean, it's surreal. How did you react to जब आपको पता चला कि ऐसा सब हो रहा है? Did you believe it कि ये हो रहा है, or did you think कि ये another rumor?
No, honestly speaking, I was shooting in Universal Studio the day they announced it's pandemic. So we were out of mind and it was raining here. So that was the last thing I could pay attention to. But then when I came back, they knew that Corona is happening, but I didn't know that it's going to be this madness. And for 2, 3 days, we didn't know what's happening with us because the class got cancelled the very next day and it was weekend. We didn't have reaction time. By the time we realized, it was already like fire. So I was in a state of shock, like what next?
Right. So now that you are so well versed, आपको इतना कुछ पता है, you've seen it for yourself, and you are stuck in the
Yeah,
place where सबसे ज़्यादा cases मिल रहे हैं. तो आप
that's right.
not only in India but worldwide लोगों को जो अभी भी घूम रहे हैं, फिर रहे हैं easily, उनको क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? What would you say to them?
मैं सबसे पहले लोगों को बोलूंगी कि प्लीज रिस्पेक्ट डॉक्टर्स एंड कॉप्स एंड पीपल हु आर देयर टू सर्व यू. We should not attack them by any means, and it has nothing to do with caste, creed, religion, or anything. We all are together in this. We have to respect them. Imagine they are risking their lives going out for you. उनका क्या जाता है, नहीं करेंगे टेस्ट, राइट? तो प्लीज डू नॉट डू दिस. मास्क पहने, प्रोटेक्ट करें अपने आप को, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट और एनीबडी कैन नॉट कम डोर टू डोर एंड से कि अरे घर से मत निकलो, अरे आप लोग इनकी रिस्पेक्ट करो, मारो मत, ये मत करो. आई मीन हाउ रिडिकुलस इज दैट? यू टेल मी.
Exactly. I get your
तो
point. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna ask you one fun question also. It's become too serious. It's like I'm a news channel for you.
absolutely, and I have been answering only this and I'm like asking something else.
Please tell me, if you get a chance, let's take this positively since we're all locked down. If you get a chance to get locked down with a Bollywood star, who would you pick?
Stop. There are many I want to lock down to.
If you could name a few.
Hrithik Roshan for sure.
Uh-huh.
Ranbir Kapoor. And Amitabh sir, because I would have a lot to learn from.
So like you just said, Hrithik Roshan, his song "Ik Pal Ka Jeena Fir To Jana" so apt for the current situation, no?
I
Okay.
know.
So okay, tell me, what are you craving for? Something that you can't cook yourself and you really want to eat.
I'm craving for golgappas, pani puri. I'm
Hi,
craving
hi.
for aloo puri, chole bhature. I mean, this is a wrong question to ask, but I'm just craving for all this.
Why
This
not
for
just go
sure
on
I cannot
YouTube
cook.
and try making some, you know?
But no, it's so difficult.
It
Chola I
is,
can
it
still
is.
make, bhatura,
Mm. So people
बहुत difficult.
nowadays people nowadays are also getting back to their hobbies, you know, जो वो करना चाहते थे वो अभी कर रहे हैं because time है. तो आपने क्या सोचा, आप क्या करोगे अभी? कुछ स्टार्ट करोगे अलग करना in
अलग अभी
hobbies?
कुछ बचा ही नहीं है, सब कुछ कर लिया दृष्टि. सब कुछ, खाना पीना, कपड़े जो खुद नहीं करते वो भी किया. अभी एक ऑनलाइन स्पेनिश सीखना मैंने शुरू किया है, और that is really difficult, but it's so much fun, you know. Learning a new language is a challenge, so I'm challenging myself.
So tell us a word that you've learned.
I've learned a few things.
Tell us something.
¿Cómo está?
What is that?
That is, how are you?
Como hasta?
Yeah, so you would say muy bien, estoy bien. Matlab,
Muy
I'm
bien.
fine.
Muy bien. Arey, how cool is this? I should start this too. Where are you
Yeah,
doing
and
this?
it's close to Hindi. It's not easy. No, I am just talking in a manner. But
So
it's
where
a
are
lot
you
of
learning
fun.
this from? Where are you doing this from?
It's an online class I've enrolled with this
Okay,
person. I'm
okay.
doing it from two people because a lot of people talk it in a very native way, which I do not understand. So I need little urban way of learning it first, like how we have Hindi, शुद्ध हिंदी है, नॉर्मल
हाँ
हिंदी.
जी,
We
हाँ
have
जी,
to
हाँ जी.
understand the difference. वही है, वैसे ही है स्पेनिश भी.
Oh,
तो मैं स्पेनिश शोज देख रही हूँ, स्पेनिश गाने सुनती हूँ पूरे दिन. I'm just in that zone, and everybody calls me a Latino in Spanish. Nobody thinks I'm an Indian.
so hopefully soon after the pandemic goes, we'll get to see you in a Spanish film.
Oh
Maybe.
yes, absolutely. Why not? I love you for this. Manifested.
Or see, I'll also want to say that there are a lot of people who must be, messaging you. अभी इधर भी लिखा है you beautiful girl, love struck hearts. सबको तो एक साथ नहीं reply कर सकते, तो आज बता ही दो. How much do you love me back?
I love each and every person, whosoever is here on my timeline, any timeline, and has been sending love and support because it means a lot. In today's time of trolls and criticism, it means a lot if somebody is really loving you, and all my heart for you. Thank you so
There's
much.
there's Pratik asking Spanish show में Money Heist देखा क्या? Money Heist. I don't know what it is.
Money heist लगा
अटक गया. हाँ,
था और खत्म भी कर
देखा.
दिया.
Really? So, what are your
Like,
reviews? Really?
It's
What are your
amazing. You
reviews?
should watch it. You haven't seen it? You should watch it. This is one of the best shows after Breaking Bad.
Oh, I haven't watched Breaking Bad either.
Okay, I need to give you a list. You have to start watching it. You have
Yeah.
to watch Money Heist and Breaking Bad. And then
Yeah.
Narcos. I mean, there are many, but this is like ABCD for web series world.
Wow, I must start doing this because I'm still busy watching Ramsey Brother horror films. I must wake up.
Yes, yes. These things are like too good. Then you should watch Spanish shows. Spanish shows are doing so well these days.
I must.
Somebody wrote, Saundarya, you will come back soon. Thank you so much for
Yes. A lot of people are wishing for you to come back. Of course, everybody is wishing for you to come back. So I
I miss
hope.
home.
I know, right? India misses you too. I'm sure your home also misses you. तो
Thank
अगर
you.
अगर आपको अभी मौका मिलता है कि एक दिन के लिए सिर्फ आपसे क्वारंटीन हट जाएगा और आपको कोरोना नहीं होगा, आप किसी को नहीं दे पाओगे, तो आप क्या करोगे वो पूरे दिन में जाके बाहर?
मैं कोरोना को जाके पहले मार डालूंगी. I'll wipe out corona from this entire world. That's the
Lovely.
first thing I will do. Second thing, I will go and get into Bollywood and Hollywood both, and whosoever is preparing their scripts, I would like to just go and automatically sign my name in every contract.
This one was good. This one
Yeah,
was
that's
super
what I will
good.
do.
Super. So hopefully corona before you kill it, वो खुद ही चला जाए and you get the
I
right
know.
kind of films that you want to do and we'll get to interview you.
Yes, absolutely.
So I hope you like talking to Bollywood Bubble.
Absolutely. I love talking to you, and I love talking and being on Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you. On that note, thank you so much. Please stay strong and we will really see you soon.
Absolutely. You guys stay safe. You stay at home and take care of yourself.
Yeah. See you soon.
Bye. See you. Bye.
So, guys, that was Saundarya Sharma with us. I hope you liked the conversation. And also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Bollywood Bubble. And till then, this is your host, Drishti Pathak, signing out.